Hello guys, Anon here. So ngayon pala, maglalaro tayo ng short horror game. Ang pamagat nito ay One Halloween Night. Okay, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's play na kaagad. It's Halloween night, and you've got the house to yourself. Your grandmother had a sudden injury, and your parents thought it was best to spend the night with her, just to be safe. As you're 14 now, your parents kept you home for the night to manage the trick-or-treaters. Just after your parents left home, you bought a small box of candy and prepared for the evening. They should only be gone for the night, and everything should run smoothly. Okay? May tumatawag. Sino to? Pick up. Okay, honey. We'll be at Grandma's overnight. Doctor said it's nothing to worry about, but suggested that we stay with her for the night. Yeah, I got the candy, by the way. Oh, good. Just remember to clean the yard if the kids leave wrappers everywhere. You know how it gets. Yeah, okay. Love you. Oh, and don't freak yourself out if you hear anything strange downstairs. That old water pump has been acting up recently. It sometimes makes some struggling noises. If it starts up, just go down and give it a smack. That should temporarily stop the noise. Got it. Love you. Love you too, honey. And that's it. Na yung phone call. Mother, tumawag. Movement, WSD, interact, proceed, throw, drop. Okay. Basic line controls. Well, it seems to be getting late. Should probably get set up. Candy for the bowl should be in my bedroom if I remember correctly. Okay. Bedroom. Ito? Hindi. Dilim naman nun. Ito. Okay, CR yan. Ito. Okay, wala yan. Dilim. Ito ba? Saan? Ito. Ah, okay. Aquarium na maliit. Saan? Nandito. Ito ba? Ito. Okay. Anong gagawin? Ay, dapat ako. Daily news. News. Wala akong mabasa. Debug mode, no signal. Okay. Drop nga muna. Explore nga muna ako. Okay, ako bumaba dyan. Dilim. Explorein muna natin yung bahay. Laki ng bahay, ah. Magagabi pa lang. Okay. Meron dito. Magkakonektado lang pala yun. Throw box in bowl to fill. Okay. Yung candy kanina. Okay. Nothing too good this year. Just some small candies. Well, they were good enough for me to eat half the box. Hope the kids don't mind. Feel like watching some TV while I wait for the night to start. Should it be too long? Okay. TV daw. Space. 7:40 p.m. Napanood niya. May kumakatok. Sounds like trick-or-treaters are here. Much later than I expected. Maybe a short night after all. But I better answer the door. Pado naman kasing late, but 7:40. Ano ba to? CR lang din. Uy, may bata. Teka lang, mamaya. Ah? Ang biro binato ko yung candy. Pasapin muna natin. You, happy Halloween. What a great costume. How did you manage to get that on your head? Just give me the candy. I'm too old for this. Right. I'll go grab it. Oh. What? Dalawa? Oh. Yan na. Sino next? Ready na isa oh. Ano yung nahulog? Makita. Sino next? Bilis na na. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. What a great costume. Quite scary actually. Go grab your candy. Thanks. Ayan na, candy mo. Pwede naman pala yun eh. Di pipick up ko na kagad. Para bigay na ulit. Sino pa? Sino next? Bilisan nyo. Manonood pa ako ng TV. To. Bilis na ito ah. Happy Halloween. Great costume. What a scary skeleton. I am the skeleton from your nightmares. If the skeleton gets good candy, he will no longer haunt your dream. Alright. I'll grab your candy. Anna. Sino next? Tagal, parang ayaw ng candy. Ah. Wait lang, bata pa ba yan? Nasa bagay, teenager. Have you seen my younger brother? Forced to put this skull mask out. Ah! Wait, kapatid niya yung kanina? He is oddly intrigued with skeletons. Not too sure. Why? Oh, he also has a skull mask on if you hadn't already noticed. Ah, kapatid niya yung kanina. Yes, he came just before you. Said something about hunting my dreams. Damn. Just cutting into him lately. But if you got some candy, I wouldn't mind a piece. The least I deserve after watching over my brother. I got you. Ano? Sana mahanap mo yung kapatid mo. Ano next? Sino next? Yan nyo na. To. Nice. Ang costume na ito. Para siyang si Sans. Hindi ba lang yung damit? Hey there, happy Halloween. What a spooky costume. Ooh, I am a ghost. I see that. Would you like some candy? Yes. Ayan na, candy mo. Enjoy. Sino next? Tagal. Hirang yan. Pwede ba manood ng TV ulit? Uy, kukilit. Okay. Sige na. Kid. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. You like some candy? Yes. Coming right up, buddy. Ayan, take it. Ang cute eh. Naka-costume siya eh, oh. Trick or treat eh. Next. Yun, ba't ganun maglakad yun? What the hell? Saan ko pa yung pinto na ito? Di ba kaya manggugulat yan? You know, may clown. Ano, oh. Happy Hall. Whoa, man, that costume is awesome. Thank you, kind sir. I'm mabait. I must describe myself as a huge Halloween enthusiast. I take great pride in my attire. Each year I produce something different. This year I chose a clown. But you did a great job. Even the way you move is quite creepy. I try my best. Go grab you some candy. Appreciated. Ah, ito na. Candy mo. Saan siya maglakad? Ilang yan. Pa-sideways. Yan next. Okay, sino to? Wait, hindi bata yan. Teka lang, hindi bata yan. That's a grown-ass man. Kailangan mo, Dracula. Happy Halloween, great costume. I've always been scared of vampires. Bro, hindi bata yan. How old do I look? The sand over candy. Oh, ano. Mira, hindi bata yan. Nagawa nun. Yan, nagawa pa yung mga bata nagtitrick or treat eh. Kasan tama eh. May bata. Creepy naman ng costume yan. Ano? Kailangan mo. Para siya yung sa may payday. Kailangan. Hey, happy Halloween, kid. Okay. Wait. There's candy here too? Yeah, of course. This place is a jackpot. Bakit? What do you mean? Just giving out some simple stuff. What are you talking about? Your dad or grandfather is just outside your backyard. Giving out full-size chocolate. Huh? Full size? My parents are not home. Send over the candy. Round 2. Oh, ito na. Sige na. 3D. Saan? Hindi ako pwede lumabas eh, oh. Ang outside. Wala dito. Ito, sa basement to. Ito, CR. Ito? Okay. Huh? Hindi ko kalila to ah. Ano to? Hey, what are you doing? Just spreading the Halloween spirit. Remember when houses used to give out the good stuff? This is my house. Right. Well, no harm done. Kaya siya maglakad. I mean, matanda siya, pero hindi niya kailangan maglakad na parang T-Rex. T-Rex or Raptor, ewan? Akala mo, dinosaur eh. What does the old man think he's doing? And why on my property? Kaya nga, ang dami-daming lugar eh. I'll probably call mom and give her a heads up. Okay, sarada natin yung pinto. Baka biglang pumasok kung sino-sino dyan. Okay. Hey honey, is everything alright? Let me guess, you ate all the candy and you ran out? No, mom. But something odd happened. What happened? Well, some old guy was set up in my backyard giving large candy to kids. He wasn't dressed up either. He was just wearing casual clothes. When I went out to confront him, he didn't say much. Just left. He even left his set off on our lawn. You know what? You shouldn't have to worry too much. He's probably just some lonely guy. If he didn't threaten you, it should be fine. Still weird though. Don't get me wrong, it is for sure. But don't freak yourself. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung boses ko. But don't freak yourself out. It's Halloween, for goodness sake. People get odd. Alright, thanks mom. Just thought I'd check in. No problem, honey. Did everything else happen? Don't hesitate to call me. Okay, love you, mom. Love you too. Okay na, ang daming sinasabi. 10:20 p.m. Bis ng oras ha. Naka 3 hours na rin. Horror movie. Okay. Well, nobody has come in the longest while. I think the night has ended. At least I hope so. Remember mom mentioning something about the front lawn. Something about collecting the wrappers. I think best I get that done now. Garbage bags are in the kitchen, I believe. Okay? Kitchen. Ano? Oh? Parang naman yung nakikita ko eh. Eto. Tapos, front lawn dito. Kaming kalat. That's strange. The old man's setup is no longer here. He must have quietly packed up. Saan? Ano, nawala na. Samputin ko lang to. I think that's all. I should throw this away. Saan? Ito pa ba lumampas? Ano yung tapo nun eh, oh? Baka sa loob. Sinarada ko yung pinto ah. Mamaya biglang may manggulat dito eh. Oh. Tapos na, di ba? Tapon na. I'm feeling quite hungry. There's some leftover pizza in the fridge from last night. I think that could work. Have to warm it up in the oven. Okay. Oven. Fridge muna. Fridge. Pizza. Tapos oven. Oh. Okay. Ito na ba? Tagal ah. Yun. Sarap, ang init. Pizza. I often eat on the couch. At least when my parents are gone. Ay, sa couch daw. Sarap ng pizza. Nagutom ako bigla. Meron. Ito. Pambira. Long press, pwede. Okay. Ang kulit ng pizza eh. Lumiliit lang eh. Oh. Pambira yan. Pare-parehas lang yun nasa TV. Ang bihira kasing pagkain ng pizza yan, ba't lumiliit lang? Ayun na, dali, bilis na. Ba't ang pagkain ng pizza, lumiliit na yung pizza. That was mid. It had a strange aftertaste. I'm feeling quite sleepy. Not that late, but I can hardly keep my eyes open. Should head upstairs and get change. Keep my pajamas in the bedroom closet. Okay, bedroom closet. Saan? Dito? Time for bed. Hopefully my parents arrive early tomorrow. Pata natin yan. Base. Ano meron? 11:59 p.m. Okay. Uh, what? Oh, must be the water pump in the basement. I remember mom mentioning that it acts up. Better go check it out. Man, that piece of junk. Merang yan. Basement talaga. Bagal pa maglakad ng karakter ko. Ano? Basement. Water pump. Ito. I think I fixed it. Well, at least for now. First, this happened when I just began to fall asleep. Should get back to bed. Okay. Ang dilim na basement ang wala. Sana. Go back to bed. Huh? Dahil? Nag-doorbell. Sino ka? Sino to? Give it back. I know you took it. Ano? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you talking about, kid? You took my candy. You snatched it and ran inside your house. Huh? I saw you just now. Listen, kid, I have no idea what you're talking about. Just got up from bed. And why are you out here this late? Almost midnight. Back home, kid. Seeing things. Yep. Better get back, kid. What did that kid think he was doing? Ringing doorbells at night. And why was he still awake? Whatever. I've just gotta get to bed. Yep. Better get to bed. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen? Wala ko na ng tulog. Spacebar. 1:30 a.m. Nangyari. My throat so dry. Can't sleep. Need some water. There should be some in the fridge. Downstairs. Bababa na naman. Bira naman. Ano na? Kailangan ng tubig. Saan? Ito. Long press lang. Ah, much better. I should head back upstairs. Come on, kailangan ko na ng tulog. Pinapababa ako ng pinapababa eh. Tulog ka na lang kasi. Ano na naman? Wait. Huh? Hindi gumagalaw. What the hell? Yung matanda kanina, ba't nandito ka? Di ko ba nalak yung pinto? Oh my god. Gogi, naglalakad siya. Parang tirik. Parang ano, raptor ang wala. Nagawa mo dito. What the hell? Anong ginagawa mo sa kwarto ko? Ka nandito. Ah, tinignan mo lang ako? The hell? Ang weird. My god, kailangan ko na umalis dito. That old guy from earlier. In my house. Escape or hide? Escape na lang siguro. Need to get out of this house now before that creep notices me. I need to run to my neighbor for help. Come on, I need to leave. Bago siya makarating. Come on. What the hell? No! No! Oh my god. Dapat nagtago na lang ako. Pambihirang yan. Ah, okay, space. Nandiyan na naman yung matanda. Pera. Mag-hide na ako. Pirang yan. Titignan mo na naman ako. Yan, tama yan. Lumabas ka para makapagtago ko. Yan, sarado mo pinto. Ano ba yun? It's that old guy from earlier. He's in my house. Hide. Hide tayo ngayon. Ito yung tamang option eh. Yan siya oh. Wala na. Hindi mo na ako makikita. Nakatago ko. Where are you, kiddo? We got some treats for you. Not gonna work. I got a chocolate bar and a bag of candy. No thanks, may diabetes ako. Come on, huwag kang magpapakita, please. Tago ka lang, magtago ka lang. Nangyari? Huh? Tago ko tapos eto na, kailangan ko na lumabas. Ayun, ito nga yung tamang option. You never left, you never felt so relieved to hear the sound of sirens. Nice. Turns out the man across the street had been awake for a while. Couldn't sleep, so he was sitting by his window just watching the neighborhood. Their parents had told him they'd be gone for the night and asked him to keep an eye on the place. They've always been a little creeped out by him. The way he'd stare too long. Kaya nga, pambihira, tinitignan lang ako sa may kama kong pambihira. But tonight, he noticed something strange. He saw movement inside your house. At first, he thought it was you, maybe getting a drink or heading upstairs. But when he saw a second figure move behind you, he knew something was wrong. Called the police right away. By the time they arrived, the old man had already been in your house for a while. You've never liked that neighbor. But tonight, he saved your life. Mirang yan. Mabait naman pala yung matanda na yun eh. They captured the old man quickly and later you learned he was an escaped patient from a nearby secure facility. He wasn't out to harm anyone specifically. But you were in real danger. At least tumawag siya ng pulis. Okay. Yun na. You've been saved. Tapos na. Okay, so that's it for our video guys, no? Natapos na natin yung One Halloween Night. So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-iwan ng like, comment, at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para sa mga ganitong content sa channel natin. Anon, nagpapaalam.